We're making light and fluffy gluten-free pancakes that are high in protein with Greek yogurt and your favorite protein powder. They're made with clean, natural ingredients and full of the most delicious flavor. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make these really easy pancakes, we're going to start with a medium-sized mixing bowl, and then we're going to add our wet ingredients first. To bring the protein into these pancakes, we're going to use plain Greek yogurt. So I'm going to add half a cup to my bowl. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to my website with the full recipe with substitutions and frequently asked questions and nutrition facts. Next we'll add 1/4 cup of milk, and you can use any variety that you like. And for a little natural sweetness, we'll add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of some light olive oil, but you could also use avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Then we'll just whisk this together till well combined. Next, we're going to add 3/4 cup of oat flour. And for additional protein, you can add your favorite protein powder. My favorite is this organic vanilla protein powder because it's vegetable based, it's naturally sweetened, and we really like the flavor of it. And I've included a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. So add 1/4 cup of protein powder and 2 teaspoons of some baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And for a little extra flavor, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we'll just whisk these together until combined. Now the batter is going to seem a little bit runny at first, but the oat flour and the protein powder are both really absorbent, so it's best if we let this sit for about 10 minutes and allow those to soak up the moisture. And then the batter is going to thicken slightly. Well, it's been 10 minutes and you can see how our batter has gotten much thicker, so it is time to make some pancakes. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link that's in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So I'm just going to add in about 1/4 cup of batter, and then we'll just let this cook for about a minute until we get those bubbles in the middle of the pancake. So after a minute, we'll go ahead and flip it over. We have this nice golden pancake. And as soon as it's toasted on the bottom, we can go ahead and transfer it to our board. And repeat for the rest of our batter. And now we have this gorgeous stack of fluffy pancakes. Now a really simple hack for enjoying these with even more protein and some sweetness on top is to combine about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup with 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. And then I just mixed it together in this little bowl until smooth. And then we can add our pancake, drizzle a little of this creamy Greek yogurt maple syrup on top, and enjoy. That is so good. That is a delicious bite of sweet and tangy flavor in a pancake. I love the nice, soft, fluffy texture, and I love the depth of flavor that you get from the oat flour, the hint of cinnamon, and the protein powder. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen to make these fun pancakes. And I've included the link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.